Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about bounce rate. So bounce rate on your website happens when someone visits your homepage or visits a landing page or your product page or any other page that they found from the traffic source, and they click back right away. So they don't click to visit other pages, they don't shop your collections, they don't read your blog post, they just simply click back. And high bounce rate can be caused by a number of elements, and I will create a string of videos that will discuss each element in detail. In this video, I will talk to you about managing expectations. So managing your visitors' expectations plays a huge role when it comes to the bounce rate. So if someone visits your homepage and you have a really beautiful sourced image, for example, featured image on your homepage that shows diamond jewelry like this one. So if you source this image from the free royalty websites such as Pixabay or Unsplash, and you put it on your website, people expect to see this kind of fine diamond jewelry in your store. Unfortunately, I see for a number of retailers that they use completely different images for their homepage than the products they sell. So this kind of strategy can definitely alienate your visitors. They will visit once, they won't visit again, and they will simply click back. This is a very easy way to prevent, and quite a big reason behind the bounce rate. So for example, if your homepage has got this kind of image but your products look like that, so the costume jewelry, which I see so often, this will cause your bounce rate. So managing expectations will help you reduce the bounce rate. So what do I mean by managing expectations? If you want your buyers to keep on browsing your items and you are selling costume jewelry, you have to show the costume jewelry on your homepage. There's no point showing something different on your homepage just because it looks nice, because it definitely won't lead to a sale. It might lead to someone really loving the image, but it will not convert them to buy from you. They will actually feel that that you maybe tried to trick them, which is not an impression you want to make, I'm sure. So definitely do avoid it. Costume jewelry is beautiful. Many people are fans of costume jewelry. I think that 99% of society loves costume jewelry. They wear it every day. Obviously, people love fine jewelry, but I don't know many people that wear a fine diamond jewelry on everyday basis. So obviously, costume jewelry is something that you wear every day. If people love changing styles, for example, some women love wearing different necklaces every week, and many people love handmade jewelry. So so it doesn't mean that you cannot use beautiful costume jewelry as in an image on your homepage, in a featured image on your homepage. You don't have to promote costume jewelry by using images of fine jewelry. So be straightforward with your visitors. Inform what you are selling, with your images, with your taglines, with your collection names, with your product names, and so on. So be transparent. Don't pretend to sell something that you don't just because it looks better, and your bounce rate will be on a healthy level. So this video was brought to you by Rock Paper Copy, and if you like this video, please click like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on marketing, SEO, and website optimization, and I'll see you by the next video. Bye bye.